welcome back to my channel. Now sach batana, how many of you are okay talking about bras with your mom or with your aunt or anyone? I'm an 80s kid and I don't think I have ever discussed about bras with the elder women in my house. I find it a personal accomplishment that I am able to create a video on this topic because there's so much shyness around this topic. Hi, this is Janie Gandhi. I'm an image consultant, a style curator and a sustainable style advocate. On this channel, you will find real, relatable, wearable styling ideas, something that can utilize on your day-to-day life. On Saturdays, I talk a little bit about me. Okay, so today we are going to discuss 3 kind of bra styles that you need in your wardrobe that will fulfill all your wardrobe woes. Meaning whether you have an inset top or whether you have a sleeveless top, whether you have a strappy dress or whether you have a backless blouse, all these things can be covered in just 3 styles of bras. After that, to invest in a 4th style or a 5th style is your personal thing, but I'm going to share today 3 simple styles that will work for everything. I have already done a video called Lingerie 101. I'm going to tag that here and you can go through that, and in detail you'll get details about what's a padded bra, what's a wired bra, a non-wired bra and everything around it. But today we're going to specifically discuss what goes underneath with different dresses and tops. Now if you're like me and you love wearing your halters and your sleeveless and in-cut sleeves and regular different kind of sleeves, then I'm sure that this is going to be super useful. So first is a t-shirt bra. A t-shirt bra is something that is smooth at the front. So t-shirt bra actually works for all body types, and t-shirt bra works for your t-shirts or for your dresses because t-shirt bra is seamless. It is not going to show a bulge around your bust area. So a great fit t-shirt bra will not have any gapping around the bust area. So t-shirt bra is great for tops, t-shirts and dresses which are regular sleeves. There are no in-cut dramas, and because it's seamless, whether you're wearing with a plain t-shirt or a printed t-shirt or a dress, it doesn't matter. In a seamless style, I'll say invest in a black and a nude both, because a black and a nude will make sure that it goes with every single color in your wardrobe that you have. You don't have to then think that, oh, will this go or not. And I'm repeating myself, but whenever you pick nude, nude has to be your chest color nude, nor your face color nude. Whenever you're buying a nude bra, always wear that bra and then wear a white top over it. If you can still see the bra, that means it's not the nude color. So in a nude bra, your bra won't be seen against a white fabric. That's how you test a nude bra. So buy the nude which is your chest color nude and not necessarily a face color nude. Alright? Also, if you're heavy busted, then a full cup t-shirt bra really supports your bust and it won't hurt you. Okay? Whether to have wired or not, whether to have padding or not, I think the Lingerie 101 video covers all of that. The next one is the strapless bra. Now a strapless bra is something which doesn't have straps. Okay, now sometimes your regular t-shirt bras come with straps in a way that you're able to remove them and make it strapless, or sometimes you cannot remove those straps and you'll have to invest in a second strapless bra. So you can take a call while you are buying what you have to do. Okay, now a strapless bra is great when you're wearing in cuts like this. Now even before I begin explaining where you can wear this, let me tell you, to show a bra strap or not is a very personal decision. I personally feel that the show of bra strap just kills the whole vibe of the outfit. It has nothing to do with the moral standards of your, oh, bra strap is showing. It has nothing to do with that. I just feel that when your bra strap shows, if you're trying to create a very classy feel, it doesn't look like that. That's my only reason of telling you to invest in a strapless bra. But if you're comfortable with your bra strap and you're okay with it, then go ahead. These are not uncomfortable, okay? I in fact love wearing a strapless bra on summer days because the straps dig in and hurt my shoulders. Also for dresses like this, which are actually just a slight in cut, and when I wear a regular strap, then I'm constantly pushing my strap inside. So rather I wear a strapless bra and then this part looks absolutely neat around my shoulder. So a strapless bra works for every single kind of dresses and t-shirts, tops, shirts which are haltered, sleeveless, in-cut sleeves, or wherever you feel that the strap falls here but your sleeves are shorter or narrower, then those works. Again, in a strapless bra, invest in a black and nude both, because black color works generally with darker colors and the nude bra works for all your lighter colors. You don't have to then think that, oh, I have a red strapless bra, what do I do? So investing in black and nude is something that just works for everything. And the last, third one is when you wear backless tops, backless blouses, backless dresses, then you definitely need something like this. These are called nipple covers. As the name suggests, they are just to cover your nipples. Now, okay, backless dresses, backless sari blouses or backless tops, t-shirts, by definition means that there has to be a bare back. So if you're going to wear a regular bra where your bra strap is showing, it kills the whole mood of the blouse or the top or the dress. So if you're not comfortable with the whole concept of bare back, then don't buy a backless one. But if you're wearing a backless thing, then the idea is the bare back and let your bare back shine. Now I'm going to suggest two things. Like I said, one is the nipple cover and these are called nipple pasties actually, and these are called nipple covers. Now if you are extremely heavy busted, your bust is very heavy, and I don't think a 36D is heavy. Heavy is where your bust hurts when you're exercising or even when you're backing, there's a pressure on your back. That is when your bust is heavy for your own body. Don't just look at a number and a figure and feel that it is heavy. Every body is different, and that's why whether the bust is heavy or not will be dependent on every body. Now in such a case, what happens is, if you're extremely heavy, then you'll have to go to slightly expensive stores and buy something that covers your bust. But if you're someone who's a regular bust size, then these in the cheaper places will work. Like even Amazon has these, so they will work. But all my clients who have heavy bust, I suggest them to go to Third Love, or I am tagging one more Indian brand below. I don't recall the name right now, but even they have amazing solutions. So the idea is that these you just need to paste on your nipples, and then your back will be bare. You don't have to wear any bra. I know a lot of bras extensions come where you can wear your regular bra and then cover and bring it ahead, but I feel that when you're wearing those extensions and bringing it ahead, it creates a lot of crumple around your midriff, and if you're heavy midriff also, then it creates a lot of crumple. Otherwise also I don't find it neat. So instead I have these two things. Whenever I'm wearing a strapless dress, or whenever I'm wearing a deep back sari blouse or anything, then this is something that I do. For sari blouse, obviously, I will just get the padding fitted inside, but if not, these are like external padding that you can invest in. So that was it. 3 styles of bras that you need that will work for all your tops, shirts, dresses, everything. You can invest in a 4th, 5th, 6th style as you wish, but these 3 will cover majority of your wardrobe woes. I always tell all my clients that whenever something touches your skin, so be it a foundation, a concealer, a bra, panty, these things touch your skin, and you have to invest in the best quality that you can afford. If you just have 2000 rupees as budget, then I'll say spend 1500 on a bra and 500 on a top, because a bra can make or break your outfit. So just go on, check your wardrobes and see what kind of dresses, tops you have, and these 3 will 100% fit all those requirements. If you want to learn more about styling, then I have a whole styling course called Frustrated to Fabulous. I'm adding a 10% discount especially for my YouTube audience. This course has 92 styling videos which will change the way you perceive styling. So that's it for today. If you have liked what you've seen so far, please give this video a big fat thumbs up. I am inching towards 1000 subscribers on YouTube, and it's making me so happy. Plus, I absolutely enjoy reading your comments. I cannot tell you how fun it is to create a community online. So till I see you next time, bye bye.